We're back on this 2019 Toyota RAV4. The recovery procedure was refinished from the prior video, and now it's time to, you can say, backfill or purge the system with dry nitrogen, not opening it up to the atmosphere, sucking in the moisture from the atmosphere into the system when the component is replaced. So for those of you who are new to my channel and seeing this for the first time, those of you old heard this 1,000 times. But the nitrogen goes in, it displaces any air that might be sucked in. So it's dry nitrogen, no moisture content. So, and you only need 1, 2, 3 psi, that's all. So first I'm gonna bleed this line right here. And you'll hear it. Hey, why don't we hear it? Hey, how about if it's nice if I actually open up my, yeah, I opened it. There we go. And we're purged through. So I can put a little pressure. There we go, it just moved a little bit. Like 20 psi, it doesn't matter, it just has to be minuscule. Gonna open it up on the high side. Let's open it up. Hold on. Let's get this right now. Making videos, paying attention to the video. There we go. So see 14 psi, it has now went from the high side over to the low side. It now is 8 psi everywhere. So now I'm gonna close the high side, or what I can do is I can open up this. Actually, I could show you so you could see what's happening instead of just taking this off, so you can actually see. I'm closing the high side, so we will be reading the low side because the high side is off. I'm going to open the low side and bleed that 8 psi out mostly. Okay, so there I am. Now that line is open to the atmosphere. Now I'm going to open the low side, so I'm only bleeding out the system, but you'll see the high side bleed down a little bit. And why? There we go, and you see the high side going down too, because I don't want the technician to have too much pressure in there, because when he opens it up, I don't want the possibility of this refrigerant oil being sprayed in his eyes in case he's not wearing safety glasses, these things. And I actually went to 0, didn't want to go to 0. God dang it. Okay, so it's at 0, but nothing's going to be sucked in. I always like to leave it 1 or 2 psi, but here I am paying attention, making videos, showing you my safety glasses, and I let it go to 0. But the system is now filled with dry nitrogen, so when the technician opens this line, it won't suck in moisture from the air and contaminate the refrigerant oil that's either going to be POE or PAV. There is PV, but we're not going to talk about it. It's really rare, but it is available, and they all take in moisture, so that is an issue, and that's what we're trying to prevent. All right, see you on the next video.